Everyone thinks the best-selling car alarms are automatically the best choice. But is that really true? If you take a closer look, you'll see that some options are just better at deterring vandalism than others. Product number 1: CARLOCK Anti-Theft Device. First up is the CARLOCK Anti-Theft Car Device. This real-time 4G tracker caught my eye for its impressive features at just $49.95. If you want real-time alerts and a solid monitoring system for your car, this is worth a serious look. Imagine getting a notification on your phone if your car is moved or the engine starts while you're nowhere near. With features like driving behavior monitoring and battery health alerts, it ensures your vehicle is both safe and well-maintained. Plus, with over 5,200 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, many users have found it reliable. Now, some people complained about the monthly subscription fee of $9.95. Here's the thing though, if you care about your car's safety, that's a small price to pay for peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you want constant monitoring of your vehicle and can handle a subscription fee. Skip this one if you're looking for a one-time purchase without ongoing costs. Overall, it's a great value for what you get. Now, if CARLOCK's subscription fee bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: WSDCAM 113dB Vibration Sensor Alarm. Next, we have the WSDCAM 113dB Loud Anti-Theft Vibration Sensor Alarm, priced at $31.99. This product is particularly eye-catching because of its strong alarm system. If you want something that packs a loud punch to deter thieves, keep listening. This alarm boasts a stunning 113 decibel sound. It's not just for cars. This alarm works for bikes, trailers, and even mailboxes. With a wireless remote and waterproof design, you can easily control it from a distance, making it a versatile option for anyone concerned about theft. The adjustable sensitivity lets you customize it based on your environment, minimizing false alarms. With a 4.6-star rating from 2,400 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its performance. If you're not handy, it might take a bit of work to get it set up right. However, once it's in place, it's pretty effective. This is perfect for you if you need a loud alarm for various outdoor items. Skip this if you want something that requires no installation hassle. For the price, it's a solid investment in security. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something more compact. Product number 3: 108 dB Car Alarm System. The third product is the 108 dB Car Alarm System from LNKRCO, retailing for $35.99. This caught my attention for its compact design and effective features. If you're looking for a powerful yet discreet alarm, this one's worth considering. What's impressive about this system is its 108 decibel alarm combined with a flashing red light to scare off thieves. The dual alarm mode can be adjusted for different settings, making it adaptable for various environments, whether it's a quiet neighborhood or a bustling parking lot. The magnetic mount makes installation a breeze, and it uses standard AAA batteries that can last for months. With a 4-star rating from 460 reviews, it's a popular choice among users. However, some users noted that the alarm can be overly sensitive and might trigger in windy conditions. This can be annoying if you park outside a lot. That said, for anyone needing a strong deterrent, it's still a top pick. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, easy-to-install option for multiple vehicles. Skip this one if you're in a windy area where the sensitivity could be a problem. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if you're leaning towards something more budget-friendly yet effective, check out this next option. Product number 4: ELECTOP Solar Power Dummy Alarm. Now we have the ELECTOP Car Solar Power Simulated Dummy Alarm, priced at an astonishingly low $9.99. This product surprised me because it offers a unique approach to car security. If you want an affordable visual deterrent, this is definitely worth a look. What's cool about this product is that it's solar-powered, meaning it charges in the sun and can keep blinking all night as a deterrent. This is a great option if you're looking for something that doesn't require any batteries or complex installation. The built-in light sensor allows it to activate only when it's dark, maximizing battery efficiency. With a 4.3-star rating from 285 users, it's clear that people appreciate the simplicity and functionality. However, some users mention that it doesn't always blink during the day. You can fix this by partially covering the light sensor, but it could be a hassle. Still, as a secondary security measure, it's a fantastic deal. This is perfect for you if you want an additional layer of security without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need something that actively sounds alarms. Honestly, for under $10, it's hard to beat. Now, if you want to stick with a powerful alarm but for a lower price, this next option has got you covered. Product number 5, WSDCAM 113dB Anti-Theft Alarm. Finally, we have another WSDCAM 113dB loud anti-theft vibration sensor alarm, this time priced at just $18.99. This model is quite similar to our earlier pick but offers even more versatility. If you want a strong alarm without spending too much, this is a great choice. It has a waterproof design and a strong wireless range, making it suitable for outdoor use across various items from bikes to cars. The adjustable sensitivity feature allows you to set it according to your needs, minimizing false triggers. With a solid 4.4-star rating from over 560 reviews, users have found it reliable and effective. However, some customers pointed out that the remote can be a bit flimsy. It's a valid concern, but honestly, if you're careful with it, you'll likely be just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile alarm that's easy to install and budget-friendly. Skip this if you're worried about the remote's durability. For the price, you get a lot of bang for your buck. So after checking out these 5 options, you've got a variety of choices depending on your needs and budget. Whether you want a high-tech system with real-time alerts, a loud vibration alarm, or even a simple solar-powered deterrent, there's something here for everyone. Choose wisely and keep your vehicle safe.